See changes directly on the canvas using the real-time feedback of Live Preview. It makes it easier to decide on layer order and better understand how layers work together. I'm beginning here in advanced mode of Photoshop Elements. To try out Live Preview, you'll need to have a multi-layered document open with layers that are suitable for blending. The layers on this document are from What Matters Most by Kim B Designs. First, let's talk about Live Preview. Live Preview means that you can click and drag layers around in the Layers panel, and as you do so, you can see real-time feedback without dropping the layer into position. So with Live Preview, I can quickly make a decision whether I like this purple flower and leaf to be above the hearts or below the hearts. Or I could even decide to put them above the frame group. I think I like that, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it in there. Next, let's look at Live Blend Mode Preview, which is also found in the Layers panel. For this new feature, you'll want to activate a layer in the Layers panel that would look good blended. For my example, I've simply created a copy of the background paper. This copy is exactly the same as the one below it. If I turn on and off the visibility of this top paper, you can see that there's no difference. But with this top layer active, to use the Live Blend Mode preview, click on the Blend Mode drop-down menu and simply hover over the different blend modes. I'll hover over Multiply, and you can see how that looks. Here's Lighten, Screen, lighter color looks about the same. Some are going to look about the same and some are going to have a dramatic difference. Here's Overlay and here's Soft Light. Previously, without Live Blend Mode Preview, you would have to click on one of these blend modes to see what it looks like, and it just took a lot more time. I think I'm going to stick with Soft Light. And here is what it looked like before the change. And here's what it looks like now. It's just a little bit brighter. So those are the two live preview features added to Photoshop Elements 2026. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. This has been Jen White with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.